Hi friends, welcome to AIMS, the magical world of mathematics.
Today, we are going to discuss the division algorithm for polynomial. Let us start this section with an example. That is, divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. That is, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So, how we can make x as 2x square? If we multiply 2x with the x, we will get 2x square. So, we can write it as 2x. That is 2x into x, 2x square. Then here there is plus 2. So we have to multiply 2x into 2. That is 2x into 2 is 4x. Then we have to subtract. Then we have to subtract. That means here it will become minus 2 and this plus will become minus. That is here minus, here also minus. Then 2x square minus 2x square is equal to 0. Then here 3x minus 4x, that is minus 1x. Then we have to write this plus 1 down, that is plus 1. Then how we will get x as minus x? So we have to multiply with a minus 1, that is minus 1 into x is minus 1x. Then minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Then we have to subtract again. This minus symbol will become plus and this minus also will become plus. That is minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then my plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That is, we got the quotient as 2x minus 1 and the remainder as plus 3. That is, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus 3. That therefore, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So, we can define the division algorithm for polynomial as if p of x and g of x are any two polynomials, if p of x and g of x are any two polynomials with g of x not equal to 0, with g of x not equal to 0, then we can find the polynomials q of x and r of x. We can find another polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. That where r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x less than degree of g of x. That means p of x can be written as g of x into q of x plus r of x. And this condition we studied in the division lemma also in the first chapter. Let us discuss another example. Find all the zeros of 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. In the question, it is given that root 2 and minus root 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. Since root 2 and minus root 2 are the zeros, then it can be written as s plus 2, s plus root 2 into x minus root 2. So, since root 2 and minus root 2 are two zeros, then it can be written as s plus root 2 into s minus root 2, that is s square minus 2. Also, this s square minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. Also, this s square minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. We got that s square minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. Then, to find other zeros, we have to divide the polynomial by this s square minus 2. So, let us start division. So, to get the first term of the quotient, we have to divide 2x raised to 4 by x square. So, by cancelling, we will get the answer as 2x square. So, we can write it in the here, that is 2x square. If we multiply 2x square into x square, we will get 2x raised to 4. Then multiply 2x square by minus 2, that is minus 4x square. Then we have to subtract. So here it will become minus and this minus will become plus. Then 2x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4 is 0. Then we have to write this minus 3x cubed down. Then here minus 3x square plus 4x square is 1x square plus 1x square. Then write plus 6x, then minus 2. To find the second term of the quotient, we have to divide minus 3x cube by x square. That is minus 3x. That we can write it here. That is minus 3x. Then minus 3x into x square is minus 3x cube. Then minus 3x into minus 2 is plus 6x. Then we have to subtract. So this minus will become plus and this plus will become minus. Then minus 3x cube plus 3x cube is equal to 0. Then write x square down. Then 6x minus 6x is equal to 0 plus 0 we can write. Then minus 2 down. To find the next term of the quotient, we have to divide x square by this x square. That is x square by x square is 1. So we can write it as 1. Then 1 into x square is x square. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Again we have to subtract. So here it will become minus. This minus will become plus. Then x square minus x square is 0. Then minus 2 plus 2 is also 0. So the remainder is 0. So we can write 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 as x square minus 2 into 2x square minus 3x plus 1. That means this is the divisor and this is the quotient. Then we have to find other zeros by factorizing this 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Let us factorize 2x square minus 3x plus 1 by splitting the middle term. Here the middle term is minus 3. How we can make minus 3? Then that is 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1. That is minus 2x plus minus 1x is minus 3x. Then we can take 2x common here. That is 2x into x minus 1. Then here we can take minus 1 as common. Then x minus 1. From here we can take x minus 1 as common. Then x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. So when this p of x is equal to 0, then x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the other two zeros are x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the zeros of the polynomial are root 2, minus root 2, 1 and 1 by 2.
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. നമ്മുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവർ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. പുതിയ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻസിനായി കൂടെയുള്ള ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ സംശയങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾക്കും ഗൂഗിൾ ഹാങ് ഔട്ട് വഴി സ്ക്രീനിൽ കാണുന്ന ഇമെയിലിലേക്ക് മെസ്സേജ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.